Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair, where my job was to save you money. First of all, I want to say happy holiday season for all of you guys, my subscribers. I do appreciate the support. I hope you're having a great time so far. And even if you know my subscriber and you're checking out this video, I want to wish you the best holiday season ever with your family, friends, all the people that you love and care. I hope it's a safe one, a great one, and a very blessed one. All right, so after say that, I'm gonna show you in this video how to replace the battery on this remote control for a 2019 Subaru Crosstrek, 4-door automatic, all-wheel drive, and the battery warning light for the remote in the cluster, it comes on when the customer goes inside the vehicle. And one time the car didn't want to start. Okay, cannot even open the car. So anyhow, it's a very simple procedure. So when I use a screwdriver, a little bit here. This one is very flashy. We're gonna remove the key, the physical key, but I was trying to do it just pushing there, and it did not allow me to do it. So that's why I'm using this. So gotta go a little bit down. Okay, hopefully you guys can see here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use this screwdriver here. Just do right there. And you wanna pry it open. There you go. I forgot that I have a light. See, I went right here, not on that one, right here, right there, right there. Just twist and pull, done. Awesome. See? The next thing we want to do, use the battery. We're gonna go right here. Push up. This battery is a CR2032H. C as in Charlie, R as in red, 2032H. All right, so we got one here. Okay, I already used one in the other remote. So we're gonna use with this one. That can help our customer to stay happy and sound. So the plus sign goes up. Now here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it like that first. Like that. And you're gonna press down and it latches. There's two little things. It latches. Okay? So this goes face down. Like that. Let's go like that. Like this. Now press down. Firm. And you're done. Awesome. Alright guys. There it is. I can hear it. Perfect. Alright guys, this was it for this video. Now if you like the video and you learned something from it, you found value on the video, please do me a favor, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and I will be very happy for that. It's the only thing I ask. Give it a thumb up, leave your comments down below, tell me if there's anything that I can do different, better to make my videos more engaging for you guys. I need that feedback, so I would really want to grow my channel to become one of those super YouTube technicians, rock star. But anyhow, again, God bless, do your best, forget the rest, and I will see you in the next video. Later.